Hi everyone! Welcome back to Earn Smart with Sommychacha. Today I'm sharing 5 easy ways you can create your YouTube videos without showing your face using AI tools. Let's go!
We cover tech tutorials and AI, motivational quotes and storytelling, finance and business tips, relaxing study music, and news updates and trending stories.
Number 1, pick the right niche and plan your content, such as tech, motivation, money tips, or AI tutorials. Here are some great faceless YouTube niches that work perfectly with AI tools. Use AI to write your script. Now that you have picked your niche, it's time to write your script, and this is where ChatGPT comes in. Go to ChatGPT and type something like, AI will instantly give you a full script you can read, edit, and make your own. You can also use Google Gemini or Notion AI for writing. They are great for beginners. Generate voiceovers without recording yourself. Now here's the magic part. You don't even need to record your voice. Use tools like 11 Labs, murf.gov, AI, or TTS Maker. They can turn your script into a natural sounding voice in seconds. Just copy your text and choose the voice you like best. Create your video clips and visuals using AI. Once your voiceover is ready, it's time to add visuals, the fun part. You can use Pictory, HeyGen, or Synthesia to automatically turn your script and voice into a video. These tools use stock clips, animations, or even AI avatars that talk for you. Edit, add captions, and post. Editing is where your video comes to life. Add background music from YouTube audio library, it's free and copyright safe. When you're done, export your video in 1080p and upload it to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart with Sommychacha, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications.